There's a freaking bird in my room. There's a bird in my room, Mom. Oh my god, it just landed on my pillow.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, it just landed on me.
How do we get him out?
I don't know. Oh, it keeps landing on me.
Cats. Okay, you get the bird, Caden.
How much? Mom, how am I supposed to get the bird?
I don't know. I'll help you.
Oh my god.
Push the screen out and maybe he'll go out. It's okay, little guy.
That's not where you go out.
Okay. There we go. Come here, baby.
Birdie.
Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Shh.
Here, I'll get him.
You gotta be really careful with them. Come here.
Just be.
Come here.
Oh my goodness. Well, now I can't open my window.